Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to yet another video where we will discuss both Nifty and Bank Nifty. I am preparing this video as of market close on Tuesday, 12th of September 2023. Now friends, as we all know that Nifty made a new lifetime high yesterday and today we made yet another new lifetime high. Bank Nifty has not made a new lifetime high, but it was very close to its previous lifetime high in today's session. Now let's take a look at the Nifty chart first. Now friends, on my screen I have the Nifty chart plotted on a daily time frame. Now just a few observations. First and foremost, now look at the candle we have formed today. Now this is a bearish candle per se. We made a high of 20,110 and closed at 19,993. So roughly 100 odd points from the highs we have corrected. Now look at the lows for today. It was 19,914. So from high to low, we corrected almost 200 points. Now this candle has been formed after a massive run. So we've had a very strong bull run over the past few trading sessions, and today we have formed this bearish candle at the highs. Now we cannot say decisively whether the market is going to make a U-turn over here, but this is a warning sign that we need to be cautious. Now, technically, the market still remains strong. Now, remember, we have an index which is at 20,000 odd levels. So, even a 1% correction is roughly around 200 odd points. So, that is not really big per se, but in terms of numbers, it may look big because it is a three-digit figure that we talk of when we talk of a 200-point move. Now, what has happened is that a lot of heavyweights today have made a U-turn after being positive during the first part of the day. Now, what we saw is that Nifty actually made a U-turn very early in the day. Now, I'm just putting up a 1 minute chart on the screen over here just to highlight to you what I'm trying to convey. Now, today the market opened gap up, very strong gap up opening. You can see this candle over here. Now within the first minute of trade, we actually were at 20,110, and just look how quickly we actually gave up on these gains. See, I'm just drawing horizontal lines on the 1 minute chart over here. See the range from 20,067 to 20,110, which was the first minute range. Now we broke this in no time. In just around 12-13 minutes, we broke this. And once we broke this, we actually happened to dip all the way down to 19,914. Now, since the index is at new lifetime highs, a lot of volatility actually was anticipated, and that is how it played out today. Just look at the intraday moves: sharp up moves, sharp down moves, again a sharp rally, again a sharp correction, sideways movement. So we had it all today. So this was a very choppy market, extremely difficult to trade. In any case, trading is a difficult profession, and days like these are really extremely difficult to trade because you cannot judge the mood of the market easily. Whether it is going up or down is extremely difficult to decipher from such sharp and volatile price movements. And now I will come back to the daily time frame. So friends, what we actually need to uh, bear in mind looking at the price action today is that an element of cautiousness is definitely required if you are on the long side. See, the index is at new lifetime highs. Add to it that we've had a sharp correction from the highs of the day. Add to it that we've had a massive bull run over the last 7-8 trading sessions. So some cool off is likely. Some cool off did happen today. Now whether we go sideways or we go down from here, nobody really knows. You have to take it day by day. And the only firm takeaway from today's trading session is that we are likely to witness a lot more volatility, and a lot of cautiousness is required at these levels in case you are holding long positions. Now, what would be the right way to trade Nifty in case you are one of those compulsive traders? See, I don't think the market is weak even now. And if you are trading futures and options, since futures and options are leveraged products, you need to manage your position size very well, and you need to have a good risk management strategy in place. I would not recommend shorting this market. However, I would strongly recommend that if you have a long position on Nifty, you should consider hedging. Now, there are two ideal ways in which you can hedge. You can either short a call or you can go long on the put. So these are the two options that you have to hedge your positions, and both have their own advantages and disadvantages. Now, bear in mind that since the the index is hovering at new lifetime high levels, extra degree of volatility is very likely to continue, and therefore your hedged positions will actually help you a lot. So this is for Nifty. Now let's take a look at the Bank Nifty index. Now friends, Bank Nifty, just like Nifty, has also made a bearish candle today. Now from the highs of the day, which is 45,893, to the lows of the day, 45,322. Now this is roughly a 600 odd point move. So friends, we've had a vicious correction, so to say, from the highs of the day, and Bank Nifty has closed at 45,500 odd levels. So bulls did manage to claw back some 200 odd points from the lows of the day, but we were well off the highs. Now, just like Nifty, Bank Nifty also has actually sounded an alarm bell for bulls today. Now, we may witness some sideways movement and we may even correct from here, but it is difficult to say this with certainty because we really do not know how price action plays out. We are simply trying to guess based on the price action. Now, is there a case to short Bank Nifty? I don't really think so. Their market is not weak. See, you need to bear in mind that both the indices, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, are now very big indices. Nifty 20,000 odd in terms of levels, and Bank Nifty 45,000 plus. So even a 1% price movement in Bank Nifty is roughly around 450 odd points. Now, considering the massive run that we've had in both the indices lately, some degree of volatility is expected to continue. So I do not think we should be shorting this market right now. I do not think Bank Nifty, just like Nifty, is weak. Both the indices continue to remain very strong. However, I would advise that your long positions in the index should be hedged. And just like Nifty, for Bank Nifty also, you can consider hedging by either shorting the call or going long on the put to protect your long position in the futures. If you're trading options, you need to be again very careful whether you are selling options or you're buying options. See, buying options is normally a very risky strategy. I do not recommend buying options unless you want to either play the lottery or you want to hedge, because time decay actually erodes the premium, and therefore I do not think buying options is a good strategy. It's extremely risky. So I would suggest that you can continue to stay long on the index, but you should consider hedging. And as I have suggested, you can hedge your long positions in two ways, either by selling calls or by going long on the put. Both obviously have their own pros and cons, and you need to weigh them to make a decision which one you wish to choose. So friends, that's it from me. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share my video. I intend to make at least one market video each day after the close of market. Do continue to watch my videos, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you once again. Stay safe and until next time, cheers.